सो हेलो गाइस, आज की वर्ल्ड जीके क्विज में आपका स्वागत है। विच कंट्री हैज़ द लॉन्गेस्ट कोस्ट लाइन इन द वर्ल्ड? कैनेडा। विच कंट्री लाइज ऑन द बोथ साइड ऑफ इक्वेटर? ब्राज़ील, केन्या एंड इंडोनेशिया, ऑल ऑफ these. Which country is located at the southern tip of South America? Chile. Which continent is also known as a dark continent? Africa. Which continent is surrounded by all the major ocean? Antarctica. Which desert is shown on the world map as the largest hot desert? Sahara Desert. Which country lies directly north of United States? Canada. Which country is known as the land of rising sun? Japan. Which ocean lies to the east of Africa? Indian Ocean. Which continent does the equator not pass through? Europe. Which line separate North Korea and South Korea? 38th parallel. The 49th parallel serves as the major boundary between which two countries, USA and Canada? Which line separates Russia and the United States? Bering Strait. The McMahon line is the boundary between India and which country? China. The Durand line forms the boundary between which two countries? Pakistan and Afghanistan. Which boundary line separate India and Pakistan? Radcliffe line. Which line separate India and Bangladesh? Also Radcliffe line. The boundary between Spain and the United Kingdom at the Gibraltar is marked by which feature? Rock of Gibraltar. Which boundary separate Bangladesh and Myanmar? Naf River. Which international boundary is known for line of control? India and Pakistan. Which sea lies north of Turkey? Black Sea. The Gulf of Mexico open into which ocean? Atlantic Ocean. Which gulf is located between Iran and the Arabian Peninsula? Persian Gulf. Which sea lies between Europe and Africa? Mediterranean Sea. The Arabian Sea is a part of which ocean? Indian Ocean. Which strait connect the Mediterranean Sea with the Atlantic Ocean? Strait of Gibraltar. Which strait connect the Persian Gulf with the Gulf of Oman? Strait of Hormuz. The Red Sea separate which two continents? Asia and Africa. Which strait separate Asia from North America? Bering Strait. Which sea is known for having no land drainage? Dead Sea. Which is the smallest continent by land area? Australia. Which ocean lies between Africa and Australia? Indian Ocean. Which ocean is the deepest in the world? Pacific Ocean. Which continent is completely covered by ice? Antarctica. Which continent lies entirely in the southern hemisphere? Australia. Which continent has the maximum number of countries? Africa. Europe is the separated from Asia by which mountain range? Ural mountain range. Which ocean surround Antarctica? Southern Ocean. Which ocean is located at the North Pole? Arctic Ocean. Which is the smallest continent by area? Sorry, largest Asia. What is the capital of South Africa? Pretoria. What is the capital of Australia? Canberra. What is the capital of Egypt? Cairo. The capital city of Canada is Ottawa. The capital of Saudi Arabia is Riyadh. Which city is the capital of Brazil? Brasilia. Which city is the capital of Argentina? What is the capital of Norway? Oslo. The capital of Turkey is Ankara. Which city is the capital of Thailand? Bangkok. Which country is associated with national flower tulip? Netherlands. Which country is which country national flag is known as the tricolor? India, Italy and Ireland. All of these. Which country uses the dragon as a national symbol? China. Which country national anthem is O Canada? Canada. Which currency is used in Brazil? Real. The Star Spangled Banner belongs to which country? United States. What is the currency of Japan? Yen. God Save the King is the national anthem of United Kingdom. La Marseillaise is the national anthem of which country? France. The currency of Germany is Euro. Which country has the lion as its national animal? England. The national bird of United States is bald eagle. The giant panda is the national animal of China. Which word is the national word of New Zealand? Kiwi. Which animal is the national animal of Australia? Kangaroo. Which country flag feature as a red circle on the white ground background? Japan. E pluribus unum is the national motto of which country? United States. Which country flag is known as the Union Jack? United Kingdom. Which country has a crescent and star on the national flag? Pakistan. Headed eagle. Russia. Which country used the bald eagle as its national symbol? United States. Which country has the lotus as a national symbol? India. The national symbol of France is rooster. Which country has the maple leaf as its national symbol? Canada. The national symbol of Japan is चेरी ब्लूज़म। इतनी इन्फॉर्मेशन के लिए प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करें।